Hey everyone, so I'm going to really quickly open up the acrylic nail tip kit from Model 1. This is supposed to be a dupe for Apres Gel X nails. So I'm going to see how it works. This is a little pamphlet. You get your 4-in-1 nail glue. You get a mini UV lamp, and this is a different one from the one I've gotten from Model 1 before. One of their kits, I have the other one I have is a little bit smaller. This is a very long cord. It seems like very long. And then you get 500 tips, and I believe these tips are already etched, if I'm not mistaken. Are they? It's supposed to be, I believe. Yes, they're already etched, if you can see. But I'm going to do a more detailed review of this kit, see how it is. I did a dupe on my hand with some regular press-on nails using my other, I think that's the 6-in-1 nail glue. And it works. I've had them on for about 4 days now. Of course, this is my non-dominant hand, so I wasn't able to file or shape properly. But I'll be back, guys, with a actual review of everything.